Hello and welcome. In this video, I'd like to just explain in a little bit more detail why you would want to study exploring colour and why you would want to gain more of an understanding of how colour works for your own art. Now for myself, I spent many years working in black and white. I'm a printmaker, I'm a lino cutter, so very often black and white is the kind of go-to colour palette for art. We often use pencils, ink drawings, and we stick to black and white materials, especially if you're a beginner to sketching and drawing. It's accessible, you can get going quickly. But then moving into the world of colour and starting to explore using coloured materials such as paints, coloured pencils, ink pads, brush pens, and even inks, watercolour inks, acrylic inks, it can feel very overwhelming. So the idea is this course helps to break down those barriers, give you some understanding of colour theory, and what I mean by this is how we mix primary colours, red, blue and yellow, to become secondary colours, and we mix again to become tertiary colours. Why colours work when they're opposite or they're next to each other on the colour wheel. And then once we have this understanding, we learn how to mix the colours, we can learn how to then use these within our art and explore and have a whole lot of fun. So this course is a two-stage course. It's the theory to begin with, and it's only very brief. It's not very long, it's not super in-depth, it's not going to take you months to study this. This course is ideally done within a week or two. The course was actually originally created as a module or a month of my Inspire membership, and I've pulled together the tutorials into this particular course because I feel that this information is just so valuable to everybody. And then the art tutorials will explain watercolour paints, we'll get you to do some exercise such as creating these lovely bubbles, we'll look at observing colour, and there's a few more exercises that are fun. So this will really help you to learn how to mix colours properly. You'll have colour swatches in your sketchbook and basically just have a load of go-to exercises to explore. So once you've done the tutorials, you can revisit time and time again, fill your pages of your sketchbooks with colour and just fall in love with using all sorts of colours and really play and become confident with using colour. So I hope that makes a little bit of sense, and I can't wait to see you in the course. Take care.